Here is a 1990 Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan that I got from Matthew C. I liked this fan because it's one of my first Lady Deltas. The first Lady Delta I found was at my restore that was completely bent, mangled with broken parts, and it was a 1995 antique white model. And that was my first Lady Delta. I just brought that out because it was in such bad shape. My second one was one from Jeff. It was a Snow White one that's still installed in the spare bedroom. You've probably seen that video like hundreds of times by now. My third one, if it counts as my Avalon, because that has a Lady Delta housing, but I don't really count it. But this is my third real one. It's in really good shape. Pretty good shape. It's not in the best shape, but it's in pretty good shape. The polished brass is in pretty good shape. Blade arms are a little bit mangled, but that's fine. Blades are in really good shape. It uses a Samsung motor, so the bearings have that hissing sound, which is normal. So I'm going to have to replace the bearings. That's about it. So the light on it, he installed it. It's not a Casablanca light. Not sure what it is, but he gave me a seagull poaching and a teddy bear poaching. So the light, I have a 60-watt appliance bulb inside. Low speed. It came complete, except for the crossbar and 2 screws. He wrapped this fan super well. I've never seen a fan wrapped that well before. So as expected, it arrived undamaged. I don't know if you can hear that sound, but I can hear it. So it definitely needs new bearings, and these Samsung fans use different bearings than the Emerson, so I have to special order them. They are the 6005Z instead of the 6205. Medium. Very powerful, as expected. These are much better fans than 36-inch Hunter Originals, because the 36-inch Hunter Originals, people say they're good, but they're not. They are pretty slow, they don't move a lot of air, and they're very noisy. Now high speed. Does wobble on high speed? I'm always scared of running Casablanca Lady Deltas on high because their blade arms are super thin, and when you run them on high speed, sometimes they may break. As you can see, the bearings aren't too good, so it spins down super fast. This is why Emerson motors are much better than Samsung's, and which is why I hate Samsung motors. The Astrosens are pretty good. And this is my normal IT spot. You can see the control wire there. But I don't have any IT fans to test right now. except for this Metropolitan right now. So I just put this Lady Delta up. Here's the tag. It's the older version with the number 3 on it. It's one of my favorite types. There's this. The seagull portrait. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.